Hi friends, this is Selva. Today we are see unboxing for UniFi AC professional model. Okay, UniFi access point professional model, wireless access point professional model unboxing video. This is the first video on my YouTube channel, access point opening unboxing video. I use a knife and open it. So sorry, what are the equipment in there in box? I will check. Okay. Normally this is screws for wall mounting kit, wall mounting screw kit, and PoE. This is a PoE, power and LAN connectivities for access point. Okay, and access point. This is a access point, and what are the equipments there? Cotton box. There is no power cable is there. Okay, power cable, and another things. Wall mount kit is there. Metal kit, wall mount kit. Okay, this is the equipments and all. Access point. It's a professional model. Normally your LR there, light version is there, professional version is there, so some kind different versions is there. Okay, this is a accessories, and this is a metal wall mount kit, and another kit for clamp, wall access point fixing clamp. This is a plastic. Just lift and roll and you get it. This is a plastic mount. Okay, everything there in this box. Access point, wall mount kits, wall mount screw, power cable, and PoE adapter for subscribe Selva Solutions and click bell icon.